Okay, we have a 2006 FX35 with a noisy AC idler pulley, and went down to O'Reilly, bought a new one of those, about 50 bucks. But this is how to replace it. First thing we're gonna do is jack the car up. The adjuster's on the bottom for both the AC idler and the accessory belt. You want to remove all these little bolts to take the plastic cover off first. Once they're all off, the plastic shield here will drop down. So here we have our pulleys. This is your adjuster nut here for the AC belt, and over here for your main accessory belt. We're not replacing this pulley, so we'll leave that alone. So it's counterintuitive. It's got reverse threads on the adjuster. So to loosen it, you actually loosen it like you would take the bolt out. Once it's loosened, nut comes off. There's this shield here, big washer, and then the pulley comes right off. New pulley goes on, assemble as reverse, and then tighten up your adjuster and you should be good to go. Make sure you wipe off those washers. Those are basically dust shields for the bearings there. All right, all finished, tightened up. One thing to remember is adjust your belt tension first. Snug this down just a little bit and then adjust this first and then tighten that. So you're not trying to adjust the belt tension with the wheel or the pulley tightened on the adjuster. All right, that's it. Good luck.